Okay, post setup, we're just setting up now to commission the system after fitting all the new parts. We open the isolation valve here to the return line. There's a minor leak there, which I'm sure they'll fix, but that's not a big problem at the moment. We will come back in the shed. We've double checked all of our connections. We're currently running water again like we did when we first flushed the unit, so a couple of foot valves in there with 6x4 PVC tubing, which you should bring along. Fit them to the underside of each of those pumps, ready for flushing with water. Cephals are fitted. Thumb screws on each cephal. The black device here should be pretty much screwed all the way in for both cephals. Multifunction valve is fitted with check valve in top of the action vessel, setting to 12 bar in this case. PVC bleed line down to fit inside the well in the bottom of the right hand side of the cabinet. Most services, unless they appears to be damaged, you can leave that in place. PVF tubing from the top of the valve all the way up to the injection valve. Make sure all fittings are tight, all connections have been properly sealed. PVF tubing can be difficult, so make sure you push it all the way through. Then we will return to opening the isolation valve on the inlet. Just crack that a quarter of a turn or so. We turn on the Grundfos pump, which will then pass water up through the unit, up through the bypass and back into the system. Once we see that there's no real leaks there, we double check the injection valve. It appears to be fine, no leaks there coming out from the water side. Everything appears to be okay. No leaks currently in the system. Water is passing through the sensor with the little glass bead spinning around. We then will go power on. The controller will turn on. We had the system set last time in constant mode, and I'll show you how to do that. You can hear the pumps moving. Initially, we want to set the unit into priming mode. So we go back here, sorry, here. Just to repeat that, we want to go into priming mode. So we go from the status, just select status from the main screen, go across to priming, usually set to 30 minutes, and then hit start. Then you can prime each pump by opening the priming valve, we're just pumping water. And then we can, once the pumps are primed, we can then go to stop, press stop, hit escape. And we escape all the way out. Just keep rotating the wheel. And escape, we're back in the main screen. Then we can go into menu. In the menu, in this site, the menu has been, password has been changed to 1, 2, 3, 4. We go down to mode selection. We're currently checking constant for testing only. In constant, we just set it to 100% and 75%. Hit escape. The tick will be next to constant now. We go all the way out, hit exit, hit escape, hit exit. No, we didn't have to select that properly, so there we go. Go back to constant, hit exit, go all the way back out to escape, save yes, escape by exit. Wrong button. There we go, we're in constant mode. The pump should start pumping once you've had them primed. We now do that until we double check everything for leaks and let it run for at least 15-20 minutes while you clean up and pack up, just to make sure we don't have any leaks, and do that with water.